What is a control structure? Control flow is the order that instructions are executed in a program. A control statement is a statement that determines the control flow of a set of instructions. There are three fundamental forms of control that programming languages provide: sequential control, selection control, and iterative control. Sequential control is an implicit form of control in which instructions are executed in the order that they are written. A program consisting of only sequential control is referred to as a straight-line program. Selection control is provided by a control statement that selectively executes instructions, while iterative control is provided by an iterative control statement that repeatedly executes instructions. Each is based on a given condition. Collectively, a set of instructions and the control statements controlling their execution is called a control structure. Boolean expressions, conditions. The Boolean data type contains two Boolean values, denoted as true and false in Python. A Boolean expression is an expression that evaluates to a Boolean value. Boolean expressions are used to denote the conditions for selection and iterative control statements. Relational operators. The relational operators in Python perform the usual comparison operations. Relational expressions are a type of Boolean expression, since they evaluate to a Boolean result. These operators not only apply to numeric values, but to any set of values that has an ordering, such as strings. Note the use of the comparison operator, equals, for determining if two values are equal. This, rather than the single equal sign, is used since the equal sign is used as the assignment operator. Membership operators. Python provides a convenient pair of membership operators. These operators can be used to easily determine if a particular value occurs within a specified list of values. The membership operators are in and not in. The in operator is used to determine if a specific value is in a given list, returning true if found, and false otherwise. The not in operator returns the opposite result. The membership operators can also be used to check if a given string occurs within another string. Boolean operators. Boolean algebra contains a set of Boolean logical operators denoted by and, or, and not in Python. These logical operators can be used to construct arbitrarily complex Boolean expressions. Logical AND is true only when both its operands are true. Otherwise, it is false. Logical OR is true when either or both of its operands are true, and thus false only when both operands are false. Logical NOT simply reverses truth values. Not false equals true, and not true equals false.